Welcome back. We just finished up 8A, More Water Please interactive tutorial, in which we covered graphing and reading a table and applying linear equations and determining a linear equation. So with that completed, let's go and look at question 1. What is question 1? Well, for starters, it's not one question. It is a total of 7 parts to this question. And it all feeds back and relates to this here table in this graph. Okay, so given the order pair shown on the right, complete part A through G below. Okay, sketch A. Sketch the graph of the line that passes through the points. Extend this so the x and y intercepts are shown. Okay, so first thing to determine is how to use the palette. Now, this allows us here to basically, maybe not, to draw different types of lines. Do straight lines. We can do B's, which are the absolutes. Do quadratics. Circles. Okay. So we got first determine what kind of line do we want to do. And let's just do a quick check on the table here. And I'm going to note real quick that the x's all change by 1. So it's a constant change of x. And for my y's, well, let's see. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. My light just shut off. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. And of course, minus 1 minus, got it backwards. Minus 3 minus minus 1, which is minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. So note, x changes by 1, and y from those changes of x is also a constant minus 2, which tells me it's linear. So I would want to use this line. And you can pick either any 2 points to choose from. You can do 0, 5. So when x is 0, y is 5. And then when, got it backwards. When x is 0, y is 5. If you mess up, just hit clear. 0. Note how it keeps track of where you are. Again, x is 0, y is 5. And when x is 4, y is minus 3. Okay. You don't got to use those extreme ones. You can also use when x is 1, y is 3. X is 1, y is 3. And when x is 3, y is minus 1. And just for kicks, look over here. Just check out x, y intercept. X is 0, y is 5. And when x is 4, y is minus 3. Okay. So you don't have to always use the 2 extreme ones, although the further out, the further you have the points spaced for plotting, usually the easier it is to plot it. See, we're right. Yes, we are. Look carefully at the changes between consecutive y values. Is that change constant? We just did that. Yep. What is the slope? Remember, well, if delta x and x2 is doing it, I can see that for every change of y, I get minus 2 change of x. Or let's go with the extremes. This point minus that point. So when y2 is minus 3 and y is 5, and when x2 is 4, x1 is 0, minus 3 minus 5, 4 minus 0, and again minus 2. Remember, I used this point as my first point, and this point as my second point. So x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Oh, slope minus 2. Coordinates. Okay. When we say coordinates, we're talking about an ordered pair. So the coordinate of the y-intercept will that be when x, remember, when x is 0. What is y? And the equation, well, we have b is 5, m is minus 2. That means my slope, my equation is going to be minus 2x plus 5. Y equals. Y equals minus 2x plus 5. Okay. Estimate the coordinate of the x-intercept. So we're going to look at the graph here. And look at that intercept. And looks like it's between 2 and 3. I'm going to say it's about 2.5. Ish. Remember, for x-intercept, y always is 0. Y-intercept x is always 0. Okay. That says let's compute the exact one. There's a little room here. So we know y equals minus 2x plus 5. Let y equals 0. Some algebra, so we need to move the stuff we add, subtract first. So minus 5 equals minus 2x. Divide last. So it looks like that gives us x equals minus 5 over minus 2. Signs cancel for 2.5. Correct. Okay. So that was a work through of the preview question. We're completed. You should be able to now go back and work the preview assignment yourself, and work the questions for the practice and to get the points for it. And with that, I'll see you later when we discuss and completion of your preview assignment. Then please take time and look over Stephanie's video on the workbook portion of Lesson 8A. Do the work, then submit it. Make a PDF copy, submit it into your Dropbox, and then work on the practice assignment. And good luck. And I'll see you for 8B when you're ready.